Understanding the phrase, eyes front, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, eyes front. This might seem like a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's dive in and learn about this interesting expression. Eyes front is a command. It literally means to look forward or to direct your gaze towards the front. Imagine your eyes moving straight ahead, not looking left, right, up, or down. It's a straightforward instruction about where someone should be looking. This phrase is often used in classrooms, military settings, or in any situation where attention is required. For instance, a teacher might say, eyes front, class, to get students to stop looking around and focus on the lesson. In the military, it's a command used to ensure soldiers are paying attention and not distracted. Beyond its literal meaning, eyes front can also have a figurative sense. It can mean to focus on what's ahead and not be distracted by what's around or behind you. This can apply to life goals, tasks at work, or in a conversation where full attention is necessary. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. During the assembly, the principal commanded, eyes front, and all the students stopped chatting and looked ahead. 2. The coach said, eyes front, team, focus on the goal ahead, not the mistakes of the past. 3. In a moment of distraction, the yoga instructor reminded the class, eyes front, concentrate on your own practice. Interestingly, this phrase is also found in movies, books, and TV shows, especially those depicting military or academic settings. It's a phrase that instantly creates a sense of discipline and focus. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, eyes front. It's a great example of how English can be direct yet versatile. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you learn opens up a new aspect of understanding. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself mastering these expressions in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.